Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 9. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 9 is getting too hot to handle, you're not alone. Overheating can be caused by dust accumulation inside the device, particularly around the cooling components. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to permanent damage, affecting performance and even shortening the lifespan of your device. To carry out this repair, you will need a T5 Torx screwdriver, a spudger, a suction cup, and some thermal paste. First, ensure your Surface Pro 9 is completely powered off. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the casing. Carefully insert the spudger into the gap to release the clip securing the screen. Work your way around the device, taking care not to damage the display. Once you have successfully separated the screen, set it aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Now, locate the cooling fan and heat sink. This is typically found near the processor and is the component that usually fails when overheating occurs. Remove the screws securing the heatsink using the T5 Torx screwdriver. Be careful to keep track of the screws, as they can be easily lost. Once you have removed the heatsink, gently disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. If the fan is caked with dust, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it thoroughly. Next, apply new thermal paste to the processor before reattaching the heatsink. This will ensure proper heat dissipation. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Reconnect the fan cable and secure the heatsink back in place with the screws you removed earlier. Next, carefully align the screen back onto the device and press down firmly to snap it back into place. Ensure all edges are securely clipped. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 9 and monitor the temperature to verify that the issue has been resolved. To prevent overheating in the future, make sure to clean your device regularly and avoid using it on soft surfaces that can block air circulation. Keeping your Surface Pro 9 in a cool environment can also help. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.